Hello YouTubers, this is Rigor from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. Today we're going to work on episode 3 of the Glasstream boat. We had a spot in the floor, seemed a little punky. We're going to resolve that and then we'll move on to the next part. Hope you enjoyed this episode and thanks for watching. On the Glasstream, the floor covering the fuel tank was a little springy. It had a problem. So we cut out the floor and removed the fuel tank. We found some interesting things. One was somebody had worked on this before. There was a hole where the water ski locker drained underneath the fuel tank, and somebody put in a through hull fitting and some fiberglass, and it basically came right out. And then also on the starboard side, one of the stringers had a little rotted section about 1 foot long and maybe 2 inches deep. Interesting thing on this boat is the plywood was not fully encapsulated in fiberglass. It was covered in resin, but they only tabbed the plywood in to the hole, which I thought was interesting. Now we put the gas tank back in the Glasstream boat, and then we covered it with a piece of plywood. Basically, we wedged the gas tank between the plywood. There's some supports under it to hold the gas tank in place, and then we bedded the stringers and put in a piece of plywood just to hold the gas tank in place. With the gas tank covered with another piece of plywood, we basically faired it smooth with the existing floor and covered it with a layer of resin and fiberglass cloth. We also had a little opening in front of the engine that was a rotted piece of wood. We also replaced that so that didn't have things falling into the engine compartment. Cut the front so it fit for the water ski locker, and the floor was ready to go. The next part of this will be where we continue on with the interior, carpeting and things like that. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.